All right, for number 3, we have a cone is placed on top of a cylinder. Find the exposed surface area. What that means is if the cone is on top of the surface area, on top of the cylinder, there's this circle right here that you're seeing would not be exposed. We do not want to include that piece in there. So we got to think of all the pieces that only the pieces that would be actually exposed. So the pieces that are exposed are on top, this top part of the cone. So it's like this piece is exposed. On the cylinder, there's this rectangle that gets wrapped around the cylinder. So there's a rectangle here for the cylinder. And then there's a bottom to this that we're not seeing, but there would be a bottom circle that we'd have to include. So there's actually 3 pieces of information to put there. But again, there's a circle here that we do not want to do. We do not want that involved at all, because that would be, as this cone covers that cylinder, you don't expose it there anymore. So this first piece right here would be pi RL. That would be our lateral area of that cone. So pi RL for this problem would be pi. The radius here would come from the bottom, which is 12 is the diameter, so 6 long this way. And then L would be the 10, the slant height is 10. The cylinder's the rectangle's lateral area of this cylinder is from the formula, the part of the formula that is 2 pi r h. So in this case, 2 pi r, again, is 6, and h is the height of just this rectangle's height, which is 8. And then lastly is the circle, and a circle is pi r squared. So pi r is 6, again, squared. Now I'm just going to find all of these and put them into my calculator. So pi times 6 times 10 plus 2 pi times 6 times 8 plus pi times 6 squared. I think I've typed it in all correctly. I'm just adding them together, and I got 603.186. There are inches on this, so inches squared.